Hi everyone, Liam here from Senior Fitness Wales, back again today with another video for you all. And today's video is going to be on the neck area and stretches you can do to improve just the movement in your neck. So, first thing we're going to be doing is, you can do this with me, just feel free to follow along with me, and then over time, you know, you can just do it in your own time, you can do whenever you want to. So, first things first, we're going to be just looking at the floor and then up to the ceiling. Nice and slow, down to the floor and up to the ceiling. Feeling that stretch along the back of your neck and the front, this area here. If you've watched the posture exercises, you'll know exactly how to stand with this, which is really good. If you haven't, I'll leave a link in the description down below, so be sure to check those out as well. Okay, and now we're going from side to side, back to the middle, and to the side. This is a good workout for your neck because it's targeting different areas of your neck, and it's going to increase the movement and the flexibility in the neck muscles. Okay, and all you're doing now is tilting it, so you're tilting your ear down towards your shoulder. Do what you're comfortable with. You don't need to overdo it, because over time you'll notice improvements. Feeling stretch all along the side there. That's really good. And the last one we're going to be doing is we're going to look down towards our armpit area, okay? So just like this. Just targeting a different area, a different muscle. You should feel a stretch, definitely. Oh, and shake off. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this video. Feel free to leave a like down below, subscribe to the channel if you liked it and you want to see more content, and I will see you soon. Thank you.